So today we're going to work on the A major open chord. For A major open chord, we use 3 fingers. You use your first, second, and third finger. We use only the second fret of your guitar. For the chord, there are 5 strings that we use. We don't include the 6th string. For the fingering, we use our first finger to fret the 4th string inside the 2nd fret. The second finger will fret the 3rd string, and your 3rd finger will fret the 2nd string, like this. All of them are inside the 2nd fret, like I said. For plucking the chord, we don't include the 6th string. We start from the 5th string all the way up down to the 1st string, like that, okay? Let's try and check all the strings one at a time by plucking it first from the A string, the D string or the 4th string, the G string or the 3rd string, the B string or the 2nd string, and your E string, high E string, 1st string. Okay, if you get that right, you can carry on trying to strum it. You can mute the E string, your 6th string, with your thumb above by touching it like that, so you don't have to worry about avoiding it. There you go. If you're encountering some problems fretting the strings, like that, it needs more pressure. That means you have to press it more. But there's only a certain amount of pressure that you need. You don't have to press it too hard. You might hurt your fingers. So use your fingertips and listen how I fret my first finger on the 4th string. I loosely fret that, so it's muting it. I'm going to gradually increase the pressure as I play it, as I pluck it, so you can hear. Again, and once I hear that it's ringing properly, I stop adding pressure. There. Do the same with your 2nd and 3rd finger, okay? Okay, there you go. With this exercise, if you do that, it's kind of training you already. You're training your brain and letting you be aware of how to fret your chords. Not much pressure. Another thing to consider is don't separate your fingers with gaps like this. You see this? So try to connect them or stick them together as a one whole unit, right? They're supporting each other when you're fretting like this. Okay, then you can also move your thumb above here to mute the E string. So next is your strumming. Again, you can avoid the E string if you want to, if you can do that, or you can mute the E string with your thumb, so you just don't have to worry about your plucking hand, your strumming hand. There you have it. That's your A major open chord. Very basic, very straightforward, using only the 2nd fret, using 3 fingers, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. That's how you fret it, okay? So I hope this helps you out, and good luck with your guitar journey. I'll see you in the next one.